My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Wsaz. This is a ransomware that is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. And my video is only for the educational purposes. In the video I will show you how damaging this ransomware is. So before the ransomware attack, as you see, you can open all these files. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So users may restart their computers, and then after restarting the system, they suddenly realize that the files have been horribly damaged by this particular ransomware. The ransomware is called Wsaz because it encrypts files, and then it also appends this Wsaz extension additionally to the file names. So it is then impossible to use the files. This Wsaz extension is appended to the file names, and even if users try to remove that extension manually, this still doesn't help. The files are still damaged and encrypted. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. By going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start the program, and it will be initially in the trial mode, so only a quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will most likely update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. But file decryption is not possible for Combo Cleaner or for any other antivirus. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of infections. You will be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, which is a much better solution for getting your data always protected.